Welcome to Flipped Classroom. Today's lesson is on achieving coherence and unity in writing. Let's begin by reviewing our last lesson when we looked at 4 strategies to ensuring coherence in your essay. Option 1 is using transition words. Option 2 is using pointing words. Option 3 is repeating key terms. And option 4 is repeating key terms with a difference. For today's lesson, we're going to apply these strategies when embedding a quote in your essay. At this point, I'm going to turn it over to Powtowns.